Hello guys, today's my video is about Flyingvoice wireless IP phone unboxing and menu walkthrough. Let's see what's inside the box. This is very budget VoIP phone, can be used with any kind of SIP PABX. Packaging contains user manual, IP wireless telephone, docking station, charging cable, and belt clip. Material is average. Phone is little heavy. Let's power on and explore settings. This phone supports 14 languages, including English, French, Dutch, Arabic, Chinese and many other. In time and date settings there are options to configure NTP server, time zone, mode, and date format. In display settings, there is only one option, that is backlight time. You can set up from 1 minute to 30 minutes or always on. Connecting this phone to hidden Wi-Fi is a little bit tricky. We usually connect IP phones with hidden SSIDs. It is not easy to add. But broadcasting SSIDs have no issue while connecting. Voice clarity over Wi-Fi is very nice if you are getting good signal strength, but the issue is that signal reception of this phone is not good, and this takes me sometimes out of reach. Let's open settings. The default password is admin. This phone supports 2 SIP account lines. Voicemail option is there. In case if voicemail is enabled, it can be used. It also supports call forwarding, auto answering, call waiting, and do not disturb. You can set always forward, busy forward or no answer forward. From History button you can check the received calls, dialed calls and missed calls. All detail regarding your calls is available in History. By clicking Status icon, the status of Wi-Fi, IP mode, IP address, Wi-Fi name, gateway is displayed. In Phone Book you can add your phone numbers, block numbers. You can add Remote Address Book also if your phone is linked. So that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please consider like, subscribe and share, it helps a lot.